Hey guys, welcome back to King of Food Times Official. My name is Prasad Mehta. Thanks for joining me. Today we are going to learn amazing vegan nutritious recipe. So today we are going to learn kale chips with vegan mayonnaise and portobello mushroom burger, where we are replacing our old bread for portobello mushrooms. This series is going to be a two-part series and it is amazing recipe. It's fun filled and it is going to be delicious when everything comes together. So let's get started. To make kale chips we need 50 gram of kale. Now there is a process to cut this kale. As you can see the ridge, we need to slice that down and separate it from the stem. Now make sure that your kale chips are torn by hand and they are bite-sized. You can see I have already done the process of separating the leaves and I put it into a oven tray. Now as you can see I haven't overlapped the kale leaves. Make sure that your kale leaves are evenly spread so that when we put it into the oven, it comes out really crispy. So the next step is to add our oil. So we'll drizzle oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil. We'll add some salt, some pepper. We will give that a nice mix so that the salt and pepper and the oil are evenly distributed among the kale leaves. Now we will put this into the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. So our chips are done. You can see they are crispy. And we are going to top it off with some chaat masala. Now you can use your choice of spices and herbs. So our kale chips is done. As you can see they are crispy, nutritious and easy to make. Easy and so nutritious. If you are on a dieting or if you are a health enthusiast, these chips are a perfect way, a perfect alternative to your potato chips. So now this is done, we will move on to our next step, that is vegan mayo.